everybody, I'm Nicholas Hong, Product Specialist for Life Science Solutions at Heidolph North America. Today we'll be talking about the Hei-FLOW Expert Peristaltic pumps. The Hei-FLOW Expert comes in two different models, allowing us to accommodate a wide speed range and differing flow rates. Both models have a control accuracy motor of plus or minus 0.5% and a flow rate accuracy of plus or minus 3.5%. This makes the Hei-FLOW Expert perfect for experiments that require reproducible liquid transfers. Let's now look at the two different models in detail. The first model is called the Hei-FLOW Expert 120. The Hei-FLOW Expert 120 has a maximum speed of 120 RPM. Additionally, the Hei-FLOW Expert 120 is able to accommodate both single-channel pump heads and a multi-channel pump head. The single-channel pump head has a maximum flow rate of 813 mL per minute, while the multi-channel pump head has a maximum flow rate of 329 mL per minute. The second model is called the Hei-FLOW Expert 600. The Hei-FLOW Expert 600 was purpose-built for experiments that require a stronger but still accurate peristaltic pump. The Hei-FLOW Expert 600 has a maximum speed of 600 RPM and a single-channel flow rate of 4056 RPM. This is all achieved without sacrificing on accuracy, as it maintains the plus or minus 0.5% control accuracy motor and the plus or minus 3.5% flow rate accuracy. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Nicholas Hong, Product Specialist for Life Science Solutions at Heidolph North America. If you have any questions about our Hei-FLOW Expert peristaltic pumps, feel free to reach out at us in the description box below.